Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clone apps on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to duplicate apps, we will need to use Secure Folder. So let's go to the settings. In the settings, go down and choose Security and Privacy. Over here, go to More Security Settings and then choose Secure Folder. Over here, we need to tap Continue twice and then we will begin the process of creating Secure Folder. So we will need to wait a minute or two in order to let our Samsung device create this secure folder. Once the secure folder is set up, you will see this information where you will need to set the lock type. So let's press done and choose the lock that you wish to have. In my case, I'm gonna choose pin code. In this case, it has to be 6 digits, and then we can press continue. If it's an easy pin, then you will be suggested to change it, but you can also use the pin code anyway. After that, we can confirm and press OK. Now, after that, we can turn on Reset with Samsung account. You can read this information over here, what it does, and if you decide to turn it on, then choose turn on, otherwise you can just cancel. Now, we can press Next, and over here we can set up the secure folder, so everything that will be added into this folder will be used like a separate instance, like a duplicated app. So let's say we can press this plus icon, and now here we can choose the app or apps that we want to add to this list. So let's say we're gonna choose Gmail as an example. Of course, you can use any that you can find on the list. Then let's press add. And now if I open Gmail through the secure folder, then I should not be logged into any account. So let's see. We have new in Gmail. We have now mail added. So we can have a separate account added in the secure folder. On the other hand, if I go back and go to the Gmail through the app drawer, so this is like the normal way of using apps, then over here you will see that I have my access to Gmail. So this is how we can clone apps. In order to access the secure folder, you can find it in the app drawer. I have mine over here. So you can just tap here, and then we can choose the app that we want to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.